Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Snapchat My AI new feature. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your Snapchat, then click on the chat section on the bottom. And as you can see, there's going to be My AI. Simply tap on it. Now, there are a couple of things you can do. The first thing is going to be customizing its personality by simply tapping on customize my personality. You can simply go ahead and tell it everything that is about yourself. You can also have a random bio if you want to, just like that. Keep in mind you will need a premium for that. You can also go ahead and ask it for a trivia advice or tripping planning. It will answer naturally, just like a friend. You can also send actual photos to My AI and it will analyze the image and generate a unique conversational, visual, or text reply. And you can also share your location with Snapchat to get instant suggestion for nearby places. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.